Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Please remember to leave me just a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright guys, so if you like healthy and refreshing recipe, come over here. So guys, now I'm going to make a juice. Natural, full of antioxidants, full of vitamins and fiber and a lot of that. Good for pain, inflammation, clean and build your immune system. Also good for detox and weight loss. All right guys, so here I have some prickly pear. All right, you know the cactus pear, same thing. Okay guys, so this is the peel and I have it right here. I have two of them, and I have some fresh cut ginger, half of lime, you can use lemon, and aloe vera gel. Okay, we're gonna get blending and we're gonna put some honey. We're gonna add everything to the blender. Ooh, aloe vera full of slime. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Add some water. Oh my god. Look how slimy that is, guys. Ooh, when you rise up. Oh my goodness. Ay. Alright, and we're gonna blend this. Then we're gonna strain. Alright guys, we're gonna strain this. Ooh, boy, oh boy. Good for the back. Yeah, gonna put back all this stamina in the back. And I'm just gonna blend the rest. Oh my god, look at that guys. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna squeeze my lime. And we're also gonna add it on top of this one. Oh my goodness. You wanna grab a spoon and you just wanna mix it out. All right, take your time guys, and when you finish you're gonna have something like that. Guys, this is medicine all by itself, so basically you don't want to take away the value from it. So I'm going to add like a tablespoon of honey. You can put 2 if you want, but remember guys, it's like a medicine you're taking. You just want to add the honey, all right, for a little sweetness, so you don't, you know, so I go down easy and good. And guys, once you blend the aloe vera on a high speed, it doesn't taste slimy anymore. All right, let's pour some in here first. We're gonna pour the rest here. Packed with lots of health benefits. All right guys, you don't want nothing more to it. Just take a glass and drink it down. Good for headache, good detox, weight loss, immunity booster, immunity support, clean and build your immune system. All right guys, yeah, and you know the aloe vera, good for strong back. All right guys, that's it, my prickly pear aloe vera juice. Super lightweight guys, but packed with lots of health benefits. So refreshing and nice. You can add sugar to it if you want guys, but I want to keep it on the healthier side. I'm gonna drink this glass now and leave this for another day. All right guys, you have a good day.